Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix PTZ motor stuck or not rotating in your Xiaomi Smart Camera C500. At first, you have to enter your application Xiaomi Home, which is here. And now, as you can see, this is our camera. And to diagnose that this is stuck or not rotating, these are two different problems, but this will have the same fix. Try rotating it left and right, and if you hear the mechanism, like you can just stick it to it and check. If you hear the mechanism and it's not rotating, it's a different problem. And check for the physical debris that could be rotating the lens. Up and down, up and down. So if it's this issue, check for the debris and check if it's blocking the lens. If there is any debris, you should clean it with isopropyl alcohol, not water, or just soft microfiber cloth. If it's just not rotating and not reacting to your commands that you send here, it's probably broken and you need to contact the device support. But we can do one simple thing to check. At first, tap this three dots over here, and now you need to go straight to the camera settings. Now you need to tap camera calibration and tap OK. Now you should see me now. Hello, it's me. And now we are going back. And this is, as you can see, me again. Now we are going back. Your camera is going back. This is just a calibration process. Up and down, up and down. I will cover here. And this should be now fine. If it's not fine and you hear the mechanism which is still broken and nothing is working, you need to factory reset your device. To do so, tap these three buttons over here, three dots, and stop the device. Then pair your camera with your app back again. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.